So in today's video, we have our Ipsy Glam bag for the month of April. And we also have the Ipsy Plus for the month of April 2022. I was going to say this is for April, but I just got done saying that. This is what I get gifted to me every month. So this is Open Studios. I am filming this Wednesday, April 6th, and today is my 46th birthday. I filmed 2 other videos and that's it. This is the last one. So probably every video in the next 3 videos, you're going to hear me say today's my birthday. Anyway, so if this is something that you're interested in, want to hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the money? Then keep on watching. Oh my God, I'm all over the place. Get it together, girl. Get it together. All right, so the theme for April is keep growing. Right there. And what does it say inside? Reuse, recycle, repurpose. The story of my life. So this is the Glam bag for April. I just got done saying it's April. I'm going to keep, why do I keep saying April? Can you tell I have not filmed for a while? But yeah, it has daisies. I love daisies. I love flowers in general, but it's really, really pretty. And it has a little daisy right here. This is $13 every month, which this is probably one of my favorites out of the whole Ipsy because I never get disappointed because it's only $13 and occasionally you get some full-size items. You know what I mean? So I like this out of all 3 subscriptions. If you don't know, they have the Glam bag, which is $13. They have the Ipsy Plus, which is what this is. This is $28 a month. And then every 3 months, they have the Glam Bag Plus. No, they have the Ipsy X. And that is, I believe, $55. So, all right. So let's open her up and see what we got. Okay, the first thing it says from Carmilla. So this is a bullet lipstick, and I love bullet lipsticks. I like them better than liquid lipsticks, to be honest with you. So let's see what color she is. What does it say? Divine. I can't find my other phone, and I film on my phone, so I can't look up this stuff right now to give you like prices and stuff. But this is full size, like I said. So right here pays for the bag, you know? Oh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. One thing I wish Ipsy would do, like Ipsy Open Studios, is that they give different things. Because I noticed like everybody that receives it in PR every month get the same things, right? Oh, this is magnet. So I don't know what anybody else got because I really haven't been watching anybody's videos. If you don't know, I did have heart surgery. What, 6 days ago? I can't believe it's been almost a week. So I really haven't been watching a lot of YouTube. Anywho, here's the lipstick shade. It's really, really pretty. Let me put it on. Let's put some on. Probably, it's a little bit lighter than the lipstick I had on, but feels good. I like it. All right, so we have that. The next thing is from Foxy Bay. I love this brand. So this is the 3-minute hair mask. I've got the full size before and like the Ipsy Plus, and I like it. It's in my shower right now, you know. I really don't have anything bad to say. I do enjoy getting like little sample things, you know. So, I don't know. For some reason, I'm into like samples now. Like I have a whole bunch of samples in my shower because it makes me feel like I'm using my products up versus like a full size that takes longer. You know what I mean? All right, so I'll use that. The next thing is from Way. This is, oh, a body cream. I think that's how you say it, Way? I'm not sure. All right, so it has a little safety seal. Oh, and it's filled up to the top. It has like a clean scent. Smell like very, I really actually like this scent. So it's just like, looks like a moisturizer. Yeah, oh my God, this smells good, like florally. I'm thinking a little bit too much. I like it. I really, really do. Yeah, that smells, I mean, that smells really good. Okay. All right, the next thing, we have two more things. This is, holy crap, this is tiny. This is from Glow Recipe. It's a Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. That is tiny. And can I just tell you, because I have the ring light here, there is like hardly anything in there. So this probably gives you 1 to 2 uses. Enough to, I don't know if you can tell if you like it or not with skincare, but I love Glow Recipe. I love it. Anything watermelon or mango or peaches, I like. So I'm glad to get that. And last but not least, I've got this plenty of times, and this is an okay mascara. This is from Wander Beauty. And let me see if it's the one that goes like this or straight. I don't remember. But got that lotion on and everything is like, I can't get a grip. Let's do this. Yeah, it's the one that curves. All right, and you guys know I'm a hashtag natural lash type of gal. So like today I used 3 different mascaras on, right? So I go through mascaras, so I'll never not get mascaras. Okay, so let's recap everything that I received in my Glam bag for $13. So we have this mascara, yes. We have Glow Recipe, yes, yes, yes. We have from Foxy Bay, this is the 3-minute hair mask. Love this, I like the brand. We have from I'm not sure, let me know down below. We have the cream, the moisturizer, which smells amazing. Like I really, really like it. I'm gonna see how much the full size is. And then we have this lipstick that, it's a little light for me. Like, I don't think I would wear this alone. Like, I would probably go with a darker shade and put this right in the middle. But it feels good. Like, get your mind out of the gutter. You know, like the formula and stuff. So, all right, I'll definitely use that as well. I think overall, this was a pretty, like, it's a really good bag. I never get disappointed with the $13 bags. Never. Okay, so let's go with the $28 bag. This is the Ipsy Plus, and it has the daisies over it. This is like more thinner. I tell you guys all the time, sometimes the bags are a little thicker or a little thinner. This is more like thinner, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Like it really is. I'll definitely use this up. Okay. So the first thing I'm seeing is a palette. I don't know if this is a blush or a highlighter palette. It says Miss Show Beauty. I don't know how to say that. Oh, it's a blush palette. Okay. Ooh, I really like blush a lot. I'm into like the pinky tones, not peachy. So let's see what it is. All right. Ooh, yes. All right, let me get that little thingamajiggy off. Stuck to it. All right, so you have a mirror, and this is gorgeous. So you have a pink here. These are like pinky, peachy colors. That makes sense. And then you have like a little blush topper here. It's a little shimmer. So let's see. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's like a duochrome. I like to mix colors together, you know? So let's do a little swatch. All right, that's going in one time. Very pretty. Really, really pretty. Ooh, okay. I'm happy about this. So far, so good. Okay, so the next thing is from Hip Dot. This is a liquid and kohl liner. So it's double-ended. What shade? Please don't be black. Yes, Midnight Black. So I'm not going to open this. I will definitely put this in a future giveaway. I don't use liquid liner, even though like the other end is a kohl liner. I won't use this, so we'll definitely put this in a future giveaway. Okay, the next thing is from Buddha. This is a tea tree and aloe mask scrub. Ooh, I love exfoliating. It says triple action, clay mask, foam cleanser, deep exfoliator. Ooh, alrighty. I'm really excited about this. This is going right in my shower. So it has a safety seal. All right, I just want to see what it smells like. I don't know why I was thinking maybe tea tree, but it doesn't. That's what it looks like. So I just want to see. Yeah, there's definitely like little exfoliators in there, but it's very soft. Like it's not those hard like big exfoliators. So, ooh, all righty. Yeah, I don't really smell anything. It smells just like cleanser. All right, so we have that. 2 more things. The next thing is from House Laboratory. So this is Lady Gaga's brand. And what is this? It says Shade Blaze. So maybe it's a lipstick. I love, love, love her packaging. Okay, so this is a lip gloss. And let me do a little swatch right here. So it's like pinky. Let's put it on my lips. Oh, it's not sticky or anything. Because I don't think I've ever tried her lip gloss. I know I tried like her shimmers, like for her eyes and the lipsticks, but I don't remember trying a lip gloss, but I actually like it. All right, so we have that. And last but, ooh, these are beautiful. These are Daisy brushes. What? Oh, I wish I could look these prices up, but like I said, I can't find my other phone. I have no idea where it is. Try like in the couch cushions or something, you know? All right, these are gorgeous. Okay, so there's 4 of them, but would you look? It's like clear. Looks like there's water in there, but it's not. Is there? I don't think so. All right, let's take these off. These are good. Always keep these because when you wash your brushes, you put these back on and it keeps the shape. But no, these are beautiful. Who are these by? Oh, Farrah brushes. That is nice. This is like a great foundation brush. Ooh, and it's like soft and dense, just like I like it. You know how I tell you, like, I like them soft, but not real, like, I don't like them flimsy, but I like them dense, but not like real hard. That doesn't make sense. You know what I mean? I like them. Okay. So then we have this one. Ooh. I really like these brushes. All right, so then we have this one here. You could use this to take the powder off, put it on, highlighter, anything really. And this is nice too. Like, I definitely recommend if you can buy these, like I would buy these, you know? And then we have a little eyeshadow brush. I think, no, that can't be an eyeshadow brush. I mean, I guess it could, but it's big. But maybe this would be highlighter. Because this has to be all face brushes. This is nice too. I really, really like these a lot. Wow, this is really nice. All right, so that's everything. So let's recap everything I got in my Ipsy Plus. We got these brushes. These are my favorite things. Like, if I only got this, I'd be happy. That's the truth. They are so nice. All right, I'm going to stop saying how nice they are, but they are. So then we have an exfoliating, you know, like cleanser, you know, which I love. I love exfoliating, so I'm glad to get this. If I was going to get skincare, I'm glad to get that. This is the only thing I'm like, only because it's a personal preference. I don't use liquid eyeliner, you know, and it's black. I say this all the time, like, I wish they'd send you other than black. But maybe, like I said this before, I believe on my Boxycharm, that, you know, maybe more people use black and not everybody uses color, you know. I don't know, but me, my preference, I wish it was like blue or green or something like that, you know. All right, so we have that. We have the blush palette, which is absolutely gorgeous, which I'll definitely use it. And then we have the lip gloss. What did I do with the lip gloss? Where you be? Right here. So is that everything? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's everything. I think this bag was really good too. Like, there's really nothing in here that I'm upset about. It's a personal preference. I don't use the liquid eyeliner, but I'm sure most of you guys do. So yeah, I'm satisfied with both bags this month. I really don't have anything to complain about, really.
That's a first.
All right, guys, that's everything. Please like this video or dislike it. Also, comment. Commenting helps me out too, because I can definitely use the engagement. I've said this on my Boxycharm because I am a nervous wreck for when these bills start coming in, because I was at one hospital and then they transferred me to another hospital in Philadelphia. It was actually called Penn Presbyterian. When I was growing up, it was called Penn University, but they changed it to Presbyterian. So anyway, they took me by ambulance there. So I don't even know. I think that like the catheterization alone was like over $20,000. I don't know how much. I don't know. I mean, I have health insurance, but all right. TMI. I don't even know how I got talking about it. Anywho, leave a comment. Let me know how your day is going. Let me know what you think of these bags. Would you be happy if you got these? Let me know. And yeah, I'm done filming now. I did 3 boxes, and I'm going to go downstairs and see what we're having for dinner. I don't know what I want. I have no idea. And have some cake, a little piece. I am going to have a little tiny piece. My favorite cake is marble cake. Let me know what your favorite cake is. All right, that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy. Please stay healthy. And most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my God, Ann, you talk too much. You talk too much. I can't help it. I can't help it. When I don't film for like a week or two, I can't shut up. I don't know why. I have no idea why. All right. I'm starving.